Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to request a refund on Airasia. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Airasia account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Airasia? I'll walk you through the steps. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type airasia.com, and that's going to take you into the official website for Airasia. Once you get in there, follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account, and after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Airasia. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to request a refund on Airasia. So to get this done, we're going to have to chat with Bo. And what's that? Head over here to this right corner of your screen where you have chat with Bo. So click on that. And so that window is coming up. So try me by asking your question or select a topic below. So go ahead and select Airasia flights. Okay, so go ahead and type in Airasia flight, or you tap it from there. So you're gonna have to select your carrier code. So let's say Airasia Malaysia. So over here, you're going to have to type in, okay, so booking changes. So tap in refund request. And now you have all of this. So for eligible booking cancellations, we offer a credit account, which is valid for 730 days. So effectively, so refund is subjected to terms and conditions. So select your refund request reasons. So just go ahead and enter a refund request reasons and just continue with the prompt. Keep having the chats with Bo, and from there, your refund request is going to be accepted or rejected. So that's pretty much how you can request a refund on Airasia. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.